Hey everybody, working on another water well today. Boy, this is a good one. So these people called because their filter is making a loud noise at night when they're trying to sleep while it's backwashing. So yeah, let's force a backwash cycle to see what it's going to do. Of course, you know how it is. You're never sick when you go to the doctor. I'm trying to get it to repeat the symptoms. And of course I walk away for a second and it starts doing it. That's loud. I think that would drive me pretty nuts, pretty quick. I mean, it's shaking the pipe. It's almost like there's something stuck in here. Well, it wasn't the backwash button vibrating. Let's check the valve assembly. I don't see anything in the inlet that could be blocking or causing that flow irregularity. Let's pull this piston out and see if there's something going on. So I think I found the issue. At some point, somebody installed this wild piston. It's not designed for this filter housing. The tolerances are slightly different between the valve channels, and I think that created a kind of like a butterfly effect between the rubber seals and spacer kit, and it was vibrating on here, causing that water flow to fluctuate heavily. So we'll get it back together and see if it does it again. So yeah, pretty sure that was the issue. I don't hear any fluctuations or anything, and it's very quiet. I mean, it's hardly even a low flow of, yeah, every now and then a little spurt, but that's a lot better than it was. Now the air release is coming on because I got the pump off. But I think that solves the issue. Thanks for watching.